Most people think of a budget like a diet. It feels restrictive. It makes you think about the things you can't have. But what if I told you budgeting is actually about freedom? It's about getting what you want. Forget those restrictive budgets of the past. Let's talk about a budget that empowers you. Imagine having a plan for your money. This plan helps you reach your goals. It helps you live your dreams. That's the power of a well-crafted budget. This isn't about deprivation. It's about conscious spending. You choose where your money goes. You make decisions that align with your values. A budget gives you control over your finances. It allows your money to work for you. Are you ready to break free from financial stress? Are you ready to achieve your goals? Let's dive into the world of empowering budgeting. Let's create a financial future that excites you. Traditional budgets often fail. They focus on what you should cut. They make you feel bad about your spending. This leads to budget burnout, and it makes people give up on budgeting altogether. We're going to change that. Instead of focusing on restriction, let's focus on what truly matters to you. What are your big financial goals? Do you want to buy a house? Travel the world? Retire early? Once you know your goals, you can align your spending with them. This is about making conscious choices. It's about spending money on things that bring you joy and value, and cutting back on things that don't. Action step. Take a moment to write down your top 3 financial goals. Don't hold back. Dream big. Now think about how your spending habits can support these goals. This is the first step towards creating a budget that truly empowers you. Think of budgeting as financial self-care. Just like taking care of your physical health is important, so is taking care of your financial health. It's about making choices that benefit you in the long run. When you create a budget, you're investing in your future well-being. You're taking control of your money so it doesn't control you. This reduces stress. It gives you peace of mind. Imagine this. You're no longer anxious about bills. You have savings for unexpected expenses. You're confidently working towards your goals. That's the power of financial self-care through budgeting. Action step. This week, I challenge you to track your spending for 7 days. Write down everything you buy. This simple act can be eye-opening. It helps you understand your spending habits. This awareness is crucial for making positive changes. Section 4. Budgeting for liberation. Design your ideal life. Budgeting isn't about limiting yourself. It's about designing your ideal life. It's about making choices that align with your values and aspirations. Do you value experiences over material possessions? Allocate more funds to travel and adventures. Is education a top priority? Invest in courses or workshops. Your budget should reflect what truly matters to you. Remember, your budget is a tool. It's a roadmap to help you reach your desired destination. It's not about deprivation. It's about conscious spending. And it's about creating a life you love. Action step. Identify one area where you want to spend more intentionally. Maybe it's travel, personal growth, or supporting a cause you care about. Now look for areas where you can cut back to free up funds for this priority. This is how you align your spending with your values. Section 5. Aligning your budget with your values. Your budget should be as unique as you are. It should reflect your personal values. Don't try to copy someone else's budget. What works for one person may not work for another. Start by identifying your core values. What's most important to you? Is it family, creativity, adventure, or giving back to the community? Once you know your values, align your budget accordingly. Take time to reflect on your core values. Write them down. Review your current spending habits. Are you aligning your money with what truly matters to you? Embracing the long view. Secure your future. It's easy to get caught up in immediate gratification, but thinking long-term is crucial for your finances. Budgeting sets you up for a secure future. Build an emergency fund and save for retirement. Create a solid financial foundation for your loved ones. Financial peace of mind is a long game. It requires patience and discipline, but the rewards are worth it. Section 7. Celebrate your wins. Fuel your financial journey. Budgeting shouldn't feel like a punishment. It's important to celebrate your wins along the way. Recognize your progress. This keeps you motivated. Did you stick to your budget for a whole month? Treat yourself to something small. Did you pay off a credit card? That's a huge accomplishment worth celebrating. Remember, personal finance is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way. But by celebrating your wins, you'll stay motivated and focused on your long-term financial goals. Action step. Think about a small financial goal you recently achieved. It could be anything from sticking to your budget for a week to saving a certain amount of money. Now, reward yourself in a way that aligns with your values and budget. It could be a small treat, an experience, or simply acknowledging your accomplishment.